everyone, this is Alina. In today's video, I will introduce these planner stamps. This is a new stamp we released. We can see in this stamp including the date, month, weeks, and several patterns for planner. Today we will use these stamps to make a table calendar for New Year of 2023. First, I got this calendar of 2023 for information. According to this picture, we print the months. Okay, now we got a total 12 pages for 12 months. Next, we print the name of 12 months. Okay, now we printed all 12 months and then we cut them in pieces. Okay, now we prepared all we need. Then we do some decorations for each month. Here we use the snow house and Christmas trees to decorate January. And February, we used Cupid and Sweetheart. Now we will use this butterfly die to show how to decorate March. March is spring, so butterfly is very nice pattern for this month. First, we have cut out butterflies. This butterfly die cut is the frame dies for these butterfly stamps. This craft set is loved by many people because it turns out very pretty. We blend a little color on white base to make the page look nice. Then stick butterfly on the base. For this small month tag, we paint some color on it and stick it on. This page is ready. After prepared all pages, we need to make a calendar stand. The size of stand is marked on this picture. Now please enjoy music and see how we make it. We will use 2 mushroom rings to hold the pages, so we need to punch 2 holes. Also punch the holes on each page. Here we prepared everything: 12 month pages, 2 mushroom rings, and a calendar stand. Now we can combine them together. We start with December because December is the last month and we need to attach firstly. Then November, October, and so on. Calendar is complete. It is stored on desk. Also, it can be a sweet gift for kids, family, and friends. Is today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.